Sorry about the wind, folks, but check it out. We have another YouTuber with us here, Glen Miller. And we're going to take a look at his car. He has built this beautiful machine and HEMI swapped it. What year is the engine? 05, I don't know, Durango, right? Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Just get a shot of DIY HEMI's work there. You guys are awesome. New tracks like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Beautiful. So how far is the drive from here, Glenn? Yep. About 1 o'clock. About 5 hours. Yeah, so you're in Saskatchewan. Yeah. We're in Alberta. Check that out, guys. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. Mind firing it up? Let's see if we can. Let's check out these headers. These are custom made. He made these himself.
I started shaping the tubes, the 2-inch tubes to tie everything together. I've got to shorten this pipe down a little bit, get the flanges.
Oh man, that sounds good. This just purrs, eh? It sits there and purrs. Beautiful job. Guessing you did from the 440? Yeah. How long have you had this car?
Well, I started building it 5 years ago.
5 years ago.
I drove it last year with the 440 and then this year with the, and it's got 7,400 kilometers on it now.
Really? Wow, already? Oh, yeah. It's impressive. You drive it.
Since I started driving.
Functional?
05 Pontiac G5. Gonna rivet the roof part out of the G5 in with copper rivets.
Really? Look at that. And it's powered, folks. Wow. Look at that. Oh, this thing just... That's a great job, Glenn.
Thank you.
Beautiful car.